Let's start. Obtain all the zeros, zeros means factors, of the polynomial fx equals to 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3, means here x raised to 4 means there would be 4 factors. Out of these, 2 are these two. Now we have to find the remaining ones. Options given are 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. So check options 1 minus 1 0 by inputting them in fx. How? Just put the values and you will get the answers. No need of solving all this. Okay. So f of 1 equals to 3 1 raised to 4 plus 6 1 cube minus 2 1 square minus 10 1 minus 5 so equals to minus 8. It should be 0. If these are the factors, then fx should be 0. Remainder theorem, right? So f of minus 1 0. Yeah, it's coming out to be. F of 0, it's minus 1. It's not coming out to be 0. So f of minus 1 is a factor, but 1 is not a factor and 0 is not a factor. So the two factors would be, check what are the options, only minus 1 minus 1. So these are the two remaining factors. Always remember the basic remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is, if you input the factors in this expression, the answer should be 0. That is the basic requirement of remainder theorem. Next is solve.